afternoon and almost dusk in Da Nang, Vietnam. And I'll show you where we've been staying. We're getting ready to move on, but I'm just about done with the root canal. These grab a lot of times. As simple as getting the app, decide where you're going. Sometimes knowing the address is the complicated part. And we are going to Jeremy's kitchen. So in the meantime, we'll wait about, looks like maybe 2 minutes. By the time my lovely assistant helps me get my shoes on, he'll probably be here. So here is the rundown. About 4 visits, and with the root canal it takes some treatment. Total about 13 million Vietnamese dong, which converts to about $550. So no games. That's a lifetime insurance on the crown, and oh God, probably about, I'm going to guess about 8 hours in the chair. It was fun. The first one was with Novocaine. After that, the nerve was dead, so pretty much just go for it. And 3 days, and then the new crown is going to be installed. So highest quality, ultra modern equipment. So this is where we've been staying. It's a little lived in. It's called Bespoke Beachfront Apartment. Now, when they say beachfront, don't be misled. You're not going to walk out the door and put your feet in the sand. But this has the best thing, a big soft queen bed. Have a little cooker, hot plates kind of thing. Nice fridge, really works. And a dry bathroom, meaning the shower is not just splashing all over the bathroom. It's good quality, and the best part was, I think grab his ear, the best part was $14 a night, as opposed to our 4-star hotel that was basically the honeymoon special for 2 days. I think it was around $65. Where's the key? So headed out to grab, and I'll tell you about a couple recent experiences. One of them was, we were walking to the beach. Oh, just a second here. I'll take advantage of that light since I can't see the lock. Walking to the beach, and we heard a bloody commotion. And it was a dog biting a foreigner, and then he turned around, grabbed a brick, and went after the dog, which I don't blame him at all. And then he had a word with the Vietnamese owner. So, is that our ride? You ready to fly with? Huh? Oh, okay. What did I do? Forget my shoes? I think I forgot my shoes. So, I left my shoes inside. Here. Well, anyway, if we're not organized, usually just 1 minute I think he's playing on his phone anyway. But anyway, that's the first time I've seen any dog bite. And some people get bitten by dogs and other people don't. And usually the people that have been bitten by a dog have been bitten before, or it has been a multiple thing, like one of my brothers and other people. I just find that's a trend. But usually these kind of dogs are more your sneak biters. They're not like ferociously facing you down. And I just try to avoid that. Although I'm a dog lover, and at one time I had 3 Rottweilers, and we would walk them all on one leash, and I'd hold the leash like this, about 400 pounds of dog, and they never crapped on anyone's lawn, they never menaced anyone. And my dogs are generally well trained, well behaved, and not a problem to society. But I'll tell you, with 3 Rottweilers, even one, we generally don't have a problem with anything. My dear. Hello. I tell you, it's nice to be in Vietnam where they drive on the right side of the road. I don't forget and try to climb in the driver's door. And the rhythmic, slow, what did I say before, was pretty good description. I have not seen any major crashes here or any fatalities like I did in Bangkok, like I did in Siem Reap. Basically, yeah, have not seen any major crash. I guess I was going on a 250-kilometer ride and I saw one crash in Cambodia. It wasn't that bad. The guy was, well, he was laying sitting in the middle of the road, looked like his foot got caught in the wheel at highway speed. But when you weave in and out and you don't have enough space, that's kind of what happens. So we're headed to Jeremy's Kitchen. In Vietnam, I'll mention too, they are horn honkers. And not that many, well, not that many Grab drivers speak a high level of English, but it all works out because with Grab you are already mapped out. They know where to go. You got GPS, you can follow along. And unlike in Bangkok, if you just jump in a taxi, they're potentially going to run you in circles, run up the meter, and take you places you do not want to go, and also pretty much extort money from you, which I had happen, and a couple of taxis that were just absolutely unsafe. One Grab driver we had in Siem Reap was half drunk, and I think I had one other driver that smelled like alcohol in the car. But other than that, I find Grab is very reliable. You can see when they're coming, you see what their license number is, and pretty quick and efficient. long as they know how to use Google Map. That's like 5 times in 6 blocks he's honked. But the horn is really a safety feature, and if they're getting too close, then they're using the horn. I could elaborate on the driving style, but it's my opinion that all vehicles should be automatics because they're usually in 3rd and 4th gear by the time they're going 20 miles an hour, even 5th gear at 30 kilometers an hour, which is basically 20. So yeah, I'm trying not to go into that too much, but usually the tachometer is never reading more than 2,000 RPM, which is doing the engine no favors and lugging the engine. I imagine every Asian stick-shift car is fully carboned and losing some life and gas mileage due to they're killing them with kindness. So we're headed by the beach. It's getting dark, and headed to one of my favorite little bakeries that's owned by an American gentleman, and good prices, great great pastries. We bought some of their bread. It was excellent. Pumpkin pie, that's what we had. All the stuff Mom made. So Jeremy's Kitchen, it's like I think 55,000 dong from the beach over there. Pretty good, and they're open like 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. So generally you can't miss. Once in a while they have a private event that's some short-term, rent the place, have a birthday party or something. But yeah, that's a couple of places. A couple places are the main breakfast place. They also have smoothies, coffee, and that kind of stuff. There's probably a few more around, but for the Westerner to always eat rice, it's probably not going to be very satisfied. So I'm always looking for that bakery, and that is likely going to be Western owned. We were in Cambodia, and we found a German restaurant, cafe. It was great, excellent bread. They made their own yogurt. What else? Just really good. Try to show some of the scenery. I don't know if there's anything worth seeing besides a blur with this throwaway smartphone. motorcycle because some places, especially in larger cities, I think Danang is really pretty safe. Pretty safe, pretty clean. But I think recently there was a young girl that was attacked and robbed, and that was a big deal on the news here. She was knocked off her scooter. I don't really watch the news. That was it was quite the big deal here because it rarely happens. So I can't say I'm concerned about personal safety other than Jeremy. Yeah, there we go. Turn around for us. Thank you. Right. There we have it. Arrived, ready for some snack. Like and subscribe.